Hello everyone. Uh, Good evening to one and all. Welcome to the program, which is Introduction to Blender, which is day 4. Yes, Santosh, please start the session.
So hi guys, welcome to everyone. Good evening one and all. So today instead of wasting much more time on waiting, I'll start the session and fasten up this session because we have already 3 days ruined up just for basics. So today I will tell some basics. Okay. So I am starting my Blender software. After it opens the IDE, then I will share on my screen. Okay. So until then, if you yesterday I have told you some task. Na, did anyone face any kind of problems or doubts? So you can clear in this session. Okay. So how to? I don't know how the madam gave the portal. Okay. So I don't know how madam gave the portal. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm sharing my screen. Okay. So guys, is my screen visible to you all, guys? So reply as fast as possible because if you delay in replying or giving me any okay, so it might make your time lose and you might lose some important points. Okay. So as up till 4 days, I thought of completing up till texture and 3D modeling. So after 3 days, I had ruined up, but so explaining the task by 5 minutes. Okay, continue with task by explaining the task by 5 minutes. Okay, so I know that. Okay, okay. So this is my IDE. So by default, there is a cube. Okay, actually I have told you. So just there is something wrong with my mouse. Okay. 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 So okay, the screencast keys take some time to appear. So until then, just wait for a minute so that it might be comfortable for you to see the keys which I am typing on my keyboard. So you might not be able to see the keys which I am typing on my keyboard, right? Uh, it helps you a lot. Okay, you just hold for a minute. Until then, I will tell some key points. Okay. So, you might be getting how I am opening this site tab. Okay, so I will not repeat again and again that how to follow my cursor. Okay, so you have to follow my mouse pointer every time because I might be going to. So this Blender IDE consists of n number of points. Okay, so every inch and millimeter of the screen is important to you, so it might contain an icon which might be helpful for you in your applications. Okay, so just follow my cursor. Okay, so if you might not follow my cursor, it will lose your important points and the operation basic operations. Okay, so okay, it's taking much delay for this screencast. Okay, okay, I don't know what is the. Okay, okay, you guys, it's came. Okay, so today I wanted to cover a number of points and just to make a simple table. Okay, simple table out of this cube. Okay, just follow my cursor. Okay, so is my voice audible to you guys? Okay, in which ID, which one base? To add add-ons in the additional tools, how to get screencast keys. Okay, for you, screencast keys might not be useful, but yesterday I have told how to install the add-ons. So, go for the YouTube video of yesterday. So, okay, for time permits, I will show at the end of today. Okay, okay. Some this is I mean equal division. So polygon slides, no. So yeah, okay. So today I don't know why my system is hanging. So, okay. So, okay, today my system is hanging like anything. Okay, so I will cover up the session as fast as possible. Okay, so okay. So first I'm selecting this cube. So pressing yes. Okay, escape. Only select the cube. Okay, and press S. It will scale. So I am pressing S Z. So okay, it's like what tile. Okay, so going to edit mode, pressing the tab. Okay, okay. So if I press numpad 7, okay, it's showing the top from the top view. Okay, so press control or here go loop cut. Okay, so instead of going that, you can press control R and select and go like this. It's up to you whether which extent you can go. It's up to you. So now I'm going to select this face and pressing shift, this face, this face, this face. Okay, just follow my cursor. Okay, uh, and don't ask again to repeat. Okay, because this every I'm doing this second by second, I'm changing n number of keys. Okay, you should follow and capture. So if you are getting any kind of doubt, you can go to Google and search for a specific doubt which you are facing, because you need to explore this software. So up to how much extent I can tell you. So up till 10 days I can tell you, and I am with you for 10 days. Okay, after that, if you want to explore the software, you need to explore it by yourself. Okay, so I am pressing E. Check. So the how many loop cuts you are so this is called as loop cuts. So how many loop cuts you are increasing, the number of polygons in your mesh, 3D mesh will be increased, and the clarity or the what we say, the finishing of the object will be nice. Okay, I will show you the difference also. So here side you are having n number of so here see at my mouse cursor you are able to see some icons, right? So this icon is some options for workspace, etc. Okay, so see. So here the resolution. So if you render an image, rendering means so you are working in this 3D scene, right? So if you want this image to be rendered, okay, generally you are working on this 3D object or this software so as to get the output of this image, right? So to get the output of this image, some every image has a specific pixel size, right? So 1920 1080. So here you are able to see 1920 1080, right? This is the HD, full HD. This is called as full HD uh, aspect ratio or resolution, right? So 1280 and 720 are called as HD, 1920 1080 are called as full HD, and what we say 4K, 4K, 2K, depending. So 3840, 2160 are called as Ultra HD. Okay. So if you want much more about this, so if you want 4K, so here you are having 100. Right? If you press 200, it will be 4K. So I don't want 4K because it takes a n number of so much time for rendering. Okay. So here, out FPS means here you are able to see this timeline. This is called as timeline in Blender. So when we go to animation, what do we say, animations department, or what we say, class on animation or basics about animation. So I will be telling you about this, how to set the keyframes, etc. Now it's not needed for you. I will tell about that. Don't worry about that. Okay. So if you press space bar, okay, it will be going like this. Okay, if I press this one, it will go to the starting. So here you are having a, so see, you are able to see it will move from 0 to 250. If you want to render an animation, okay, so it will, here you need to keep the settings 1 to 250. 250 means here frames only. So generally for any basic movie nowadays, what we say, oh, so the frames per second. You might be hearing about FPS, term FPS, right? So in video editing, some editors might be knowing about that. Okay, so FPS indicates frames per second. So how many frames per second you are going to take for a video? Makes the video size much bulky, light, etc. Okay, 24 frames per second is basic. So nowadays 30 fps is a basic one. Okay, so 60 fps. Okay, if you are having a phone ranging from, so like 20,000 to 30,000 and more, so you might be getting 60 fps option for a video in your phone. Okay, so if you want much more about it, you can explore in your phone first. So you might be understanding about this. So okay, output is the, what we say. This is the TMP file folder output path. So okay, you can uh, switch it to your custom folder. Okay, we will be discussing about this later. Okay, so just see about this. Okay, this this is somewhat the key points. I think we not might not be going about here. Okay, so layer properties, it's not needed for us, but this scene, okay, some this not this is not going to help us. So okay, so if you are exploring in much deeper, it might be helpful for you. Okay, so this world is somewhat helpful for you, because if you render a realistic scene, right? So here this world makes a strength uh, a sense. Okay, if I decrease strength, okay, if I go to rendering mode, okay, so just see. So okay, if I increase the strength, so okay, it is becoming darker. Okay, it is becoming lighter. Okay, so it depends on the strength you make. So if I change the color, okay, you are able to see, right? So pressing control Z. Okay, so this you are going to so I have discussed about this location, etc., right? Okay, so this is the modifier. Okay, if you press any kind of modifier like so generally for us, solidify, subdivision surface, and mirror will come into existence when you make 3D models or sculpting, etc. So instead of if it's a symmetric 3D model, you will be making a half side of the 3D object, and use this mirror modifier. So another half side will be automatically generated. Okay, so screw, when you go for a modeling or some 3D designs, so screw. So okay, we everything is not needed for you. Okay, only some I will be telling, other you explore. Okay, so everything is not needed. according to our topics. Okay, so first I am selecting this. Okay, first I am shifting to object mode and going to material tab, and now I am going to select subdivision surface. So okay, so see, it is looking nice, right? So if I want this, it's like a stool, right? If I wanted to make it look as a table, s and y. So uh, along this also has elongated, right? So this should not happen. If your requirement is not like this, you need to go to edit tab. Okay, control z. So today my system is hanging because I am making uh, background big processes. So see here, you can see 100% this disk space is ruined. So okay, Photoshop also I am using. So just for a YouTube channel. So I am having a YouTube channel. So I will tell the name of the YouTube channel at the end of this workshop. Okay, so that you can follow me. Just subscribe at the end of the session. Okay, so coming to the session. So if here you are able to see at my cursor, just see the levels. So okay, coming nearer here. Okay, so you were able to see some kind of lines here. Okay, just observe in your laptop. So in my laptop you might not be able to see because it might not be that much clarity in your up till you. If you are having a poor internet connection, it might not be uh, visible to you. So here you are able to see. If I keeping the level 1, it's just only 2, increasing the resolution is increasing. Okay, levels. So okay, the smoothness will be increased. If I press the render at the time of the rendering, it might help you. Okay, advanced options is not okay. If you want, the quality will be increased. So if you increase the quality, then the size of the 3D model will also be increased. Okay, so this increases the file of the Blender file. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that so if you make a high quality 3D models, the size of the 3D models will also be increased. So today I'm telling you this basic 3D model. Okay, so this is not a big thing. Okay, so let's make again going to tab, edit mode. Okay, so I have made this much resolution, right? So if I wanted to make any modification to this one, so I have to select this many. So see, it's selecting like a randomly. Okay, so it might be a big headache process for me. So I am deleting this 3D model. So again I am going for a new mesh. Okay, you are getting shift A, or you can add from here. Okay, mesh cube. Okay, so it's up to you the way you choose. Okay, so if you what we say, if you add some more add-ons. So here in the preferences, so add-ons. Okay, here add-ons are present. So if you make if you select extra objects, you might be visible with what we say. So here I will show you the extra objects. Okay, so here bolt, rock generator, these are the gears. Okay, these are the extra objects you will not get by default in Blender. You have to enable this add-on. Okay, so it's up to you on your application. If some mechanical people and civil people are familiar, should so generally mechanical people should design 3D models and their video, right? So for the 3D models and video, you need to make a gear, right? So you need to go for torus or circle and make it extrude, and that lot many process will be there. So instead of that, Blender gives you by default an add-on of extra objects, so that you can change the gear size, teeth size. Okay, I don't know that terms. You might be familiar with that if you are a mechanical student. Okay, so yes, Z. So okay, yes. It's So the previous step I am making much more clear for you. Okay, so if I don't want to add an extra object, just I want to extrude it from so the this 3D model. Okay, so the cube. So adding an extra object might make what we say a 3D model a big size. Okay, so I'm going to face select, press shift. So okay, so you can observe the difference here, right? So I have pressed the S. Okay, so this is making a new look. Okay, so if I am comfortable with this kind of look. Okay, it is looking like a new style, right? So if you don't want, it's up to you. But I want to make some new kind of model. Okay, so if I again go to tab, okay, so I'm verifying the image whether it's right or wrong. Okay, so if you so after making this subdivision, more number of subdivision, making it a high poly model, though, then I will go to the sculpt model and sculpt it like a throne. Okay, so it will be visible like a throne. Okay, so I'm using now the bevel tool. Okay, so bevel will be okay until and unless what will say a specific. If you extrude it beyond that, it will make you so irritate. So it will not come up to your expectations, right? So the people who had gone through the bevel tool, you might be familiar with that. Okay. Okay. Yes. So now I am going to tell you about the mirror tool. Okay. Control R. Okay, so I am deleting this side of. Okay, so going to X-ray mode. Okay, by default we are having a tool here. Okay, 2.93. I didn't observe this one. Okay. Okay, let me check whether it's working. If it's working, we don't need to go for a modifier. Okay, it's not working. So let's delete this side. Okay, press X and delete faces. So here you are able to see some edges and faces are there. Faces. So everything got deleted, right? So press tab. Uh, so how much you want to edit? First edit this side. Okay. So after editing this side, then go for what we say. Uh, I'm going back to object mode. So now you might be observing some kind of here, okay, this extrusion shadows, okay. So in detail, if you are if we are uh, going for the legs, okay, I forgot to make some modifications in the legs, okay. I will be working with the legs, okay. So I think legs are that not that much needed, okay. So here you can observe that like a diamond cut you are getting now. This is the use of the bevel, okay. So going to the modifier mirror, so it's coming exactly here, right. So I'm keeping by axis, so it's coming like this face to face. If I keeping only by axis, okay, see it came exactly opposite, right. So it's up to you how much you wanted to modify. It's you can modify. So okay, uh, I'm okay with this, but I want a much more. So here you can see it's a plane, okay. If you want, tell me which way you wanted, any modifying you wanted to make here, okay. So just a minute, I'm not done here up till, okay. So if I press Control B, that is the shortcut for a bevel, okay. So learn this shortcut, okay. Control E, okay. Okay, it's somewhat okay, right. So if I am going to apply subdivision surface, okay. So it came like this, okay. If I am not okay with this, I want the original model, right. So I'm increasing the levels, so it's looking nice, okay. So if you don't want like this, so if you decrease the levels, okay, it will look as it is. If you go for zero, if you increase these levels, okay. So it's okay right here up till here. So the intensity of this 3D object is increased now. So after applying this one, you might not able to edit this one. So if you go for simple, so here first learn about this one, okay. Levels, you will be getting the original, but it will be subdivide, okay. If you go for advanced, it's up to your quality. If you increase the quality, there will be no change, but the size will be increased, okay. Render, so the levels, it's up to you. So I am sticking with this one only. So it made a good sense for this chair, okay. But okay, these two are not nice, yeah, right. Mm, so any more detailed specifications to be done. So You go for tab. Okay. So here you are able to see now the 3D outline mesh is converted to this kind. Okay. You change any kind of vertex or edges here. So see, you are able to see it's shrinking. Okay, it's nice. Now it's looking somewhat better. Not nice. It's better. So or increase this one. So now it's okay. So it's okay. Somewhat pleasant to see, right? So if I want to add uh, a material, I'm going for here. Okay, material properties. Okay. So am I audible, guys? So I'm getting a doubt whether I am adding whether my voice is okay or not. Okay. Okay. So yesterday also someone asked how to make it with touchpad. You can't even do anything with the touchpad. Okay, don't go for a touchpad. Just buy a mouse. Mouse will be around 400, 200, 300 also will be available in Zebronics. I have to purchase. So okay, try with that. So okay, okay, okay. Step by step. Uh, So that's why only I have enabled the screencast keys. You have to see at the screencast keys side. Okay. So every time I won't say that look at my mouse cursor, etc. So you need to look at my mouse cursor and the keys which I am pressing on my keyboard. You need to understand everything. So if you are asking this question, I might be getting a doubt whether you have installed the blender or not. If you have installed the blender, so you might be getting some idea about that. It's a chair, make a cushion of on the chair. Cushion, okay. So okay, you have asked a cushion, okay. So I thought of a cushion, but make a cushion. But I don't like to make a cushion. So it will take a much time, okay. So cushion will make the size of the file much more because I other I might make a cushion, okay, but the thing is on my laptop you are able to see the disk space is more today. So okay, this much disk space might hang my PC and even shut down the meeting too. So I am worried about that. So that's why I didn't make the cushion. So it might make the file too heavy and occupy the RAM size more. Okay. Okay. How to constraint? What do you want to ask, Subhash Chandra? Okay. Dimensions. Okay. So what dimensions you want? So dimensions of what? So add colors to the chair. So you wanted to add colors. Okay. Okay. We'll go for the colors. Okay, okay. But I wanted to make much more detail. So today, okay, I will tell you speedily how to add the colors. Okay, when we make a 3D model like a man, alien, somewhat. So today, go and search for basic 3D. We need to consider. Okay, you every object requires specific dimensions. Yeah, right. Who told? I didn't tell that it don't require. Na? So okay, uh, just search for a basic 3D model, a 3D model character like so Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry, okay, it might make a big. So for detailing, okay. So how to change the dimensions? So go for edit mode and you can change the dimensions there. So if you want to make it exactly like point not one mm, so at the side I have shown you some so okay, I will show here. Okay, so here you can transform scale. Okay, here you can scale. Okay, so free to change. So for so quickly I will change the what we say. I will change. I will make the colors. Okay, to make it look somewhat neatly. Okay, I am pressing a plane. Okay, so adding a material. So just to follow my mouse pointer. Again, I won't say this one. Okay, so here you are able to observe. Okay, it gone. Okay, let so no. So here see nothing is visible, right? So I will press lightning. Okay, so sun. So so not understanding what's the problem here. So see, my according to my configuration relations only, it's getting this much disk space. Okay, if you make it in all low PC specifications, it might make you much more. Uh, okay. So I'm going for shading tab. Okay, you can get access to it from here. Okay, so I don't know what's happening here. So, okay, so everything is right here. Okay, so there might be some problem here up till now. Okay, let me. Okay, I got it. So if you press random, if you are working with more number of objects, if you press random, it will give random colors. Okay. So so up till here it's clear for everyone. So why are you asking how many of you listening carefully? Are you listening first? So good evening, how many are so why I I only didn't ask how many are you listening. So who is he asking? So clear up to now. Okay. So explain how to import the other project. Okay, you want that one. Okay, I'm going to tell right now only. So here if you go file and here you are having import, right? So you can what we say, you can choose the kind of the file you wanted to import. So generally FBX and OBJ are the 3D model files. So if I press FBX, X means the what we say the game files, game 3D models, all are FBX only. So OBJ means it may come under other wavefront, etc. So okay, I am having some file. Okay, so I will choose a 3D model which I have previously. So only a less size only I will get. Okay, not big size. Okay, arrow no character 50x over reaching no, gladiator no max reaching punching FBX shield no so XPS word. Or Harish. Okay, yeah, it's babes. So it's very light na. Okay, it's nothing. So okay, this is the file. Okay, so this is the file. Okay, so this I have important. I'm deleting. Okay, if you want any other model, okay, I will import any other model. Okay, so you might be getting clarity. So so it's a OBG. Okay, not a 3D FBX. Only some files are of FBX. Remaining all are 3D models. It's also FBX. Okay, so only need to make a specific 3D specific FBX models I have. So not all FBX models. Let me just capture. Okay, it's not to FBX. Okay, so I need to go below. So it's a big size. Okay, that's why the software is hanging. If you press a click without any kind of patience, it will crash. And your if you won't save, it will delete the file. Okay. So here, so he is imported, right? So these are called a bone. So this triangle is called a bone. Okay. This is the armature. We call this as armature. In the animation session, we can discuss about this. Okay. So up till here, I think your doubt is clear, right? Okay. Once again say coloring, this is not coloring, yeah, that's what can we earn more than singular, yeah, it's a so I haven't done any coloring here, it's just a randomizing the 3D objects. Okay, how to make equal division or cut. So it is symmetrical. If we take a cube and I make three loop cut, and how do I even I have how do I have even distance between all the edge loops. So I'm not getting what have you told Mr. Sanjay. So you have asked that how to make equal division or cut so it is symmetrical. If we take a cube and I make a three loop cut, how do I have even distance between all the edge loops? Distance. So you are telling you are making three loop cuts. Okay, so it will make a four. Okay, so by default it will suggest you the center point. If you don't want the center point, it's up to you, but by default it will make some what we say the edge loop. Okay, how to come the statue, how to come the statue means, so I have imported a FBX model, right? That's your doubt. So once again you see, okay, once again I am explaining. So here you are able to see the file, right? So here so here you are able to see the import, right? So just observe carefully at my mouse cursor only. So here you are having the file formats, right? So I am selecting. So before I have selected apex, now I will select the obj. Okay. Okay. I'm going to my file folder where I am having the file. Okay. So I'm selecting a small character. Okay. So if I want to turn this one, I can make it 0. Oh, sorry. Okay. So if I don't want like this, I wanted to make like this. Okay. It's up to you. So okay. I think clear. It's clear for you now, guys. Okay. So this is the armature. Okay. Deleting this armature. So I think today up till now it's enough for you. You can subdivide the object by right clicking on the mouse and select the option. Ah, okay. You're clarifying. Okay. Sir, any 3D guy shown in that, sir? Any can 3D object show on the 3D blender. What you're asking here? What is this framing? I am not getting. So you can ask much more. You can type much clarify. Okay. So can we make person holding the, yeah, you can make that. Okay, I will show you. I think at the last stage of this workshop I will show you. Okay, so I will tell you how to make a 3D model initially. Okay, so after that you can make up to what you want to make. Okay, I will try to give as much as I can. Okay. So I have stuff. Okay, but the thing is, time is not permitting. Every day, only 1 hour we are getting. So in 1 hour, I don't think that you can learn much. Okay. So only I have made simple chair. I am not able to even color it. So the time is going. So from today, I will sharp 7. I wanted to leave you guys. Okay. I'm putting. So how to make it as a real time object? Real time object. Okay, you have to add. You have to change the material properties. One thing, and the other thing is you have to add the extra 3D materials from outside source. So like for Unreal, they have a pixel mixer, right? Pixel mixer, substance painter, etc. You might use that software. Okay, on my, I will show you. Wait. So here the substance painter is a software which makes a real kind of textures. Okay, it will look much more realistic. Okay, make a chair as a real time. Okay, difficult moving mouse in blender. So try, yeah, try. It's up to you. Either it's your mouse is not working or etc. Can a person sit on a chair? What? Then how are you sitting every day? Yeah? Is it available for all in that software? Okay, don't know. Can you give me your WhatsApp number? Why? Importing sword. So I told, okay, by importing sword and person can we make holding figures? Are, yeah, of course you can make that. You can rig it and make as you can. So yeah, I told that I will say my YouTube channel at last, not today, last at the end of this session. What we say workshop series. Okay. So madam has kept the Google Forms, kindly fill it. Okay. How to make real objects. So what do you mean by the real objects? Do you want the real objects to be looking like a realistic? It's so we will discuss that in the shading and material texturing model. Okay. So my YouTube channel link. So type Chadalawada Shiv Santosh. Okay. If just I'm telling about YouTube name. Okay. Chadalawada Shiv Santosh. So at the end of this workshop series, I will keep the channel link. So I don't want to make you guys disturb with my YouTube channel. Okay. But the mouse, moving mouse, so difficult. Okay, your mouse is having some problem. Okay, it's up to you only. So then the object, the man can able sit. I'm asking not human. So okay, yeah, what human? The object, the man can able sit. I'm not asking not human. So okay, yeah, he can sit here. You can sit. It's you can make it rigging. So okay, I will discuss about that in the future days. Okay, so today you make much somewhat clarity and make 3D models like this. Don't make any kind of textures. Okay. Yeah, madam will tell about the task submission. I will just only tell about the tasks you have to do, but how to submit, etc. You will contact with madam only. I don't know. I'm not. I am only a resource person. Okay. I put the content only, and I will tell. Remaining all, madam will take care. You send a key document in WhatsApp. Okay, madam has kept it in a website, okay, or Telegram or something. I don't know. So you go there or message in the group to madam. Okay, how to make objects using correct dimensions. So you can press the numbers when you are scaling. Okay, and at the side transform options you can press the keys 5 6 7 like the scaling options. Okay, so I told my YouTube channel name is Chadalawad Shiv Santosh. Okay, so it's 7. Okay, I will stop the session. Okay. So there is only 5 videos. Please upload Blender videos too. So you have gone to through my channel. Okay, it's nice one. So kindly subscribe it if you go on through that. So, say task once again. So generally I go for motor vlogging and bike. So I know much knowledge about bikes, etc. So that I wanted to start a YouTube channel, but okay, there are some more issues with that. What is task? So make a 3D model, yeah, like a chair, etc. of your choice. Today the task is that only. So task madam will tell you only. So today's task is to make a 3D model of a chair or table, etc. Just only make the 3D model. Yeah, that only. So today okay, I am telling you how to export. Okay, I will tell how to export. So if I press export here, so I wanted to export in FBX. So the location. So here I will export this one. So if I go to that location, okay. So once, so where it is. So have I correctly exported it? Okay. So you can export it like this only, guys. Go here, export. If you export this one at your specified location, it will go in uh, export only. Okay. The link of the channel. So yes. Sure, nice. We will support or we will subscribe. Okay, thanks. He is making charity. So I think this session is over for today. So we need to send screenshot, send a screenshot and export the 3D file and the Blender file too. You need to upload these three. Okay. Okay. Thanks, sir. Thanks, Mr. Ravindra Reddy. So I think you are from a medical college, right? Okay. According to here, okay. So this is your mail ID, right? So okay. So I think if you are a medical teacher or etc., it might help you a lot. Okay, by making a 3D models. I have made n number of 3D models on surgicals too, like 3D injections, etc. Okay, might help you. So many doctors. Uh, okay, first make a demo for presenting their junior assistant doctors, right? So I am familiar with your medical sector too. So, okay, bye, bye guys. So madam, you can end this session, madam.
Okay, Santosh, I'll end the session. But you're saying something to the students that uh, madam will give something. What I didn't get the point for what you're saying.
Uh, they are asking for the task link, madam.
Okay, task
So
link. Okay, at
I
the
will,
end of the all sessions, I'll give the task links. Then
yeah,
they can provide everything. So, guys, how to make the tasks today? Did you given the task?
yes. Yesterday also I given,
Okay,
madam.
okay,
Today
guys,
also I
how
have
to
given,
keep the
madam.
task means just create a drive. For example, I'll share the screen. I'll show that. So you can see that. So, guys, you can see this is the drive which was having me. So, suppose create a drive link. Just I'll open the task. Task submission. So I already shown to someone. So which is how to create the task. So just create a folder in your drive, which is your name of the folder, which is suppose Haripriya hyphen tasks of Blender. Like this you can create the folder, so in that you can make it as, so for example he given today yesterday one task which is called task 1, so today which is task 2. So like that every folder you need to create and you need to upload the file in every folder. So here today which is like yesterday task 1, and open that folder and upload the file. So and the second one which is task 2, like that. So and Santosh, which file they need to upload? Santosh,
Hello, madam. Hello,
which
madam.
file?
So for yesterday, only screenshot is enough, madam. For today, they need to upload the screenshot and the 3D model. They have to export the 3D model into FBX or OBJ file and a Blender file, which they have
Okay,
saved.
so that files
They,
you need to upload. We'll see after uh, end of the day, which is like day 10. Day 10 will give the link, form link. You need to guys give the links to that, and how to give the link. Just you can share this link. Just you can share add share link. So this link you need to share that copy link. So that is the way, and you need to change the settings that everyone can access the link. So if I open the link, I need to access what you have did all the tasks. Okay. So this is the way to upload. I'll explain at last day how to upload, how to share the link. Okay. No need to worry. Meanwhile, with the name and tasks of Blender, task 1, task 2, task 3. I think he will give up to 8 or 9 tasks. If you submit all the tasks, then only you will get the certificate. There is no participation certificate for this program. Only merit certificate will be there. I think it's clear. No need, don't forget to give the feedback. So I'll share the feedback link again. Any doubts? So today task you already explained. So you can see the recording sessions. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye. No need to create any Gmail. Okay. Just you need to create. Just go Drive and create a folder, and in the task 1, task 2, task 3, like that you need to create and upload your files. At the end of the day, entire drive link you need to share to us. We'll share the form. So that's it. So I have given the link to give the feedback. Okay guys, bye, have a nice day.